Hi, boys and girls. So I would like to teach you a song that was sung in 1930 during those Aliyot. And I want to point out that the name of the conductor of the Israeli Army Orchestra that's recorded here is called Graziani. He was a very famous conductor. The poem was written by a man called Aharon Ze'ev. Aharon Ze'ev. He lived from 1900 to 1968. This poem was written around 1930. And the music was written by a man called Mordechai Zeira. Zeira was a composer, somebody that wrote music, and he believed in preserving an authentic Jewish sound. The name of the song is Anu Nosim Lapidim. We are carrying torches. And of course, you would think it's talking about Hanukkah, as it is. But Belelot Afelim, in dark nights, the paths where we're walking shine beneath our feet, and whoever has a heart that thirsts for light, who is hungry for light, let him lift his eyes and his heart to us and come along. Who is singing this? The Chalutzim, those early immigrants of the first and second Aliyah. In Europe, they were religious Jews, but when they came to Israel, they no longer believed in miracles. They believed that they are the ones who are making the miracles. So, Nes, the Chanukah miracle, Nes lo kara lanu. No miracle happened to us. Pach shemen lo matzanu. We didn't find a cruse of oil with which to light the temple. La'emek halachnu. We walked through the valley, went up on the mountain. We discovered well springs of hidden light, the light within us. We quarried the stones until our hands bled. Let there be light. I'm going to sing it for you, and I will send the link for the professional singers. So I'm here. Anu nosim lapidim, belelot tafelim zorchim hashvilim, מתחת רגלינו ומי אשר לב לא הצמא לאור יישא את עיניו וליבו אלינו לאור ויבוא נס לא קרה לנו פח שמן לא מצאנו, לעמק הלכנו, ההרה עלינו, מעיינות ההורות הגנוזים גילינו, נס לא קרה לנו, פח שמן לא מצאנו, בסלע חצבנו אדם, ויהי or. I will teach you the song in class on Thursday. I hope you all come with a very mature attitude so we could learn an ancient Hanukkah song sung by the earliest of the Chalutzim of the first and second Aliyah. We will send you a link so that you could paste it and hear the recording by professionals on YouTube. If you like my recording better, you could listen to me again. Have a good night.